hey, gorgeous souls, is Dr. Draaronowilliams, a physician, as well as a clinical pharmacist. Let's talk about something very important today, living your best life possible. Because you deserve a life bursting with joy, purpose, and vibrant well-being, right? We all do. So, how do we actually make that happen? How do we take our everyday experience from kind of blah to freaking fantastic? Well, I'm so glad you asked. We're diving deep into 5 powerful areas of your life that, when given a little love and attention, can truly skyrocket your quality of life. Get ready to unlock your happiest, healthiest, most vibrant self. First up, moving that beautiful body. And no, you don't need to become a marathon runner overnight. It's all about finding activities you genuinely enjoy, whether that's dancing like nobody's watching, going for a hike in nature, or trying that Zumba class you've been curious about. When you make moving your body a regular part of your routine, the benefits are incredible. We're talking increased energy, reduced stress, better sleep, not to mention that feeling of total badassery that comes with knowing you're taking care of yourself. So, commit to moving your body for at least 30 minutes most days of the week. Trust me, your mind, body, and spirit will thank you. Let's be real. You can't run on empty. What you put into your body directly impacts how you feel, both physically and mentally. And I'm not talking about deprivation or crazy diets here. It's about nourishing your body with delicious, whole foods that make you feel amazing from the inside out. Think vibrant fruits and veggies bursting with flavor, lean proteins that give you sustained energy, and healthy fats that keep you feeling satisfied. And remember, hydration is key. Make it a point to drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep everything running smoothly. You are a divine being, my friend, so fuel yourself accordingly. Okay, let's talk about the power of your mind for a moment. Because the thoughts you think, the stories you tell yourself, have a huge impact on your overall well-being. If you're constantly dwelling on the negative, well, life's gonna feel pretty negative. But here's the good news. You have the power to choose your thoughts. Start by becoming aware of your inner dialogue. Are you being kind and compassionate to yourself? Or are you your own worst critic? Challenge those negative thoughts. Replace them with positive affirmations. And watch how your entire reality begins to shift. Remember, you are worthy, you are capable, and you are powerful beyond measure. I know, in our hustle-driven world, sleep can sometimes feel like a luxury, but trust me, prioritizing quality sleep is non-negotiable when it comes to living your best life. When you're well rested, you're sharper, more focused, and way more equipped to handle whatever life throws your way. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine that signals to your mind and body that it's time to wind down. Think warm bath, a good book, maybe some calming essential oils. And put those screens away at least an hour before bed. Make sleep a priority and watch your energy, mood, and overall well-being soar. We humans are wired for connection. We thrive in loving, supportive relationships that nourish our souls. So make it a point to nurture those relationships that light you up. Spend quality time with loved ones. Engage in activities that bring you joy. And don't be afraid to put yourself out there and make new connections. Join a club, volunteer for a cause you care about, or simply strike up a conversation with someone new. Remember, surrounding yourself with positive, uplifting people is like giving your soul a warm hug. There you have it, beautiful souls. 5 powerful ways to elevate your life. We talked about the importance of moving your body, fueling yourself with nourishing foods, cultivating a positive mindset, prioritizing sleep, and nurturing meaningful connections. Remember, even small changes in these areas can make a world of difference. So, start with one area that resonates with you the most and commit to taking action. You deserve a life you love, so go out there and create it. Now go out there and make today amazing. If you have found this video to be helpful, please like and subscribe.